The next question word is to where. לאן. לאן. A question word that we are already familiar with. So this is a question word that we're using when we are heading somewhere. Either we're using a particular directional verb, like לנסוע, like ללכת, like להיכנס, because it answers the question to where are you going or entering. So to a name of a place, we will use le, just like there we used be. With the name of a place, we'll use le. Now let's see some examples. For example, to Israel, לישראל, לישראל. To Russia, לרוסיה, לרוסיה. To the United States, לארצות הברית, לארצות הברית. To Tel Aviv, לתל אביב. To Jerusalem, לירושלים. To Ashdod, לאשדוד. So, it answers the question, where are you going? לאן אתה נוסע? אני נוסע לאשדוד. To the, so when we're talking about definite nouns, definite places that are not names, le becomes la. Just like there, be became ba. For example, to the supermarket, la super. To the store, la חנות. To work, la עבודה. Work will always be definite. La עבודה. To the shopping mall, la קניון. La קניון. To the park, la park. La park. To home, הביתה. הביתה. So this one actually is an exception that should be best simply memorized. הביתה, not labait, rather הביתה. If we're heading outside, לאן אתה הולך? Where are you going? לאן אתה הולך? So to outside, it will be החוצה, החוצה. So there, outside, when I'm already outside, איפה אתה? אני בחוץ. לאן אתה הולך? אני הולך החוצה. Or אני יוצא החוצה. Excellent, so I hope you wrote all of those examples in your notebooks, and that's it for this lecture. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.